Hey everyone, so I'm here with an exciting video today, or I think it's exciting anyway. I've got my Josephine Bow Design's Deluxe Advent Calendar to unbox. I picked this up at the weekend from her when I went to Plan. There was 3 options available. This is the Deluxe 24-day Advent Calendar. There was the normal 24-day Advent Calendar, and there was the 12-day Advent Calendar to choose from, all at different price points. And I went for the Deluxe one because I just knew that everything in it was going to be amazing. So the Deluxe one came in this beautiful box. It's really pretty, little bow seal on the side. I am going to repurpose the lid of this and make a little dashboard because I just think it's so beautiful and it's just going to be a shame to throw it away. So that's what I'm going to do with that. So I'm going to open it up. We'll open it together and see what I've got inside. Ooh. So on the top, the Deluxe one came with the 24 days and a little extra gift. I'll just move this to the side and then we can see this properly. So we've got a mini album. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's so beautiful. Now, when I put this video up, just yesterday on her socials, she reopened her shop and put the Hobonichi sized matching album to this. And in the description, it did say that it was a taste of things to come. So I am very, very happy with this. I'm very intrigued to see what's coming next. This is just a bit of me all over. This is absolutely beautiful. So that's the little Deluxe goodie that you got inside of it. And then I've got my 24 days. Now, obviously, this is going to be a huge spoiler. It's not the 1st of December yet. I am opening this early, which is naughty, but so what? I don't care. I have to open it. It's beautiful. So yeah, if you have got this calendar and you don't want to see what's inside, then you do need to click off this video right now, because I am about to open every single one of these beautiful envelopes. And look at the colours. The colours go with the album and with the box. I'm sensing a theme. So let's see. So we've got day number 1. Before I open it, I'll let you know, actually, there was an option when you bought to let her know which planner size you were interested in. You could either choose Hobonichi or you could choose Erin Condren size boxes. I choose Hobonichi because I do have a personal wide which does have Erin Condren size box inserts inside of it, but my Hobonichi is my jam. That is my absolute favourite planner and I'll always choose that, I think, in anything like this. I'm going to try and open it really carefully because I'd like to try and save these stickers. So we've got day number 1 in this beautiful purple envelope. And we have got, ooh, oh my goodness. Oh, wow, look. We've got a monthly for January. That is so stunning, wow. And we have got some of these bows. A blue one, oh, a galaxy one. And a purple one, and they are the same style. Let me just get it. They are the same style bows as, come on, let me find it. I've got it in here. They are the same style bows as the one that you get as my freebie if you use my code when you order from her. So I'm super happy with that because I love that bow so much. So that's day number 1. Just going to pop them all carefully back in the envelope when I'm done. There we go. So day number 2. Ooh. Oh, maybe I was wrong about the theme then. Oh, I love the little dividers. You know that I use those all the time. Not these ones, obviously, because these are exclusive to the Advent Calendar, but the heart ones and the bow ones. If you watch my plan with me's on Instagram on a Sunday, you'll know I use those all the time. And we've got the cute little star checklists. I'm loving the colours for those. I will definitely get a lot of use out of those. Let's do day number 3. I'm trying so hard not to rip them. Oh, goodness, look at these. Wow. I love those at the top. So beautiful. So these are the boxes for the Hobonichi, and I can see a little H on the envelope as well. So presumably the people who got the Erin Condren sized boxes advent calendar will have got Erin Condon size boxes in there. So we've got number 4. Oh, is there anything in here? Oh, there is. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love that so much. This is one of the fonts that you can get if you buy one of her pouches. She sells large and small size pouches. I do have one, but that's not the font that I have on mine. I have a larger one here, and I have that font on it, but I know that that is a font that you can choose if you buy one of her pouches. I love the colour. It's pink. It's so beautiful. I'm going to stick that on a piece of acetate and use that in the front of my planner as a dashboard for sure. Number 5. Oh. Oh. So it's all coming across very galaxy themed, isn't it? So we've got some weekend banners there, all holographic foiled. So stunning. I'm going to get so much use out of this. I love it. There is nothing so far that I don't like. Number 6. Did I say number 4 for that last one? It was number 5, obviously. Oh, this is different. So it looks like we've got a full Hobonichi kit. So we've got the bottom washi and the top washi and some divider washi, some functional boxes. I'm loving this. I really like these colours. I'm excited to use that. I'm in the last week of my Hobonichi at the minute because my new one starts in 2020. So all of these bits and pieces will be able to go in my new one from next week. Let's do number 7. Oh, I'm trying so hard not to rip them. Okay, so it looks like we've got up to, we've got some functional words, some script words. This one is in the silver foil, which is beautiful. Her foiling is just immaculate. You can see it on everything that she does, but I always like to point it out because there's nothing more disappointing than getting something foiled from a shop and it being all bitty and rubbish, but that is definitely not the case with this. Let's do number 8. We have got, oh my goodness, some overlays. We've got the darkest nights produce the brightest stars. I love this. That is very similar to my dividers that I've got in my personal wide at the moment. I absolutely love that. Beautiful. Number 9, we have got, let's have a look. I'm so excited. Oh, some Hobonichi sized sort of banners. What would you call those? Like banners. Oh dear. She normally has the names of everything that she has on her sheets on the bottom, so I'm alright, I can just read it, but we'll just call these banners. I love the colours. So pretty. And the little accent of foiling on this side, you can see there. It's not the best light at all today, but you can still see the light picking up on the holographic foil. Then we've got number 10. Day number 10. And we have got some date covers. Oh, I just love those colours. I really do like purple anyway, and light blues and things like that. So this whole theme that seems to be going on is right up my street. And then we've got 2 months worth of date dots, which is always handy. Then we've got number 11, and I can spy my name at the bottom there, which makes this even more exciting. Oh, come on. Oh, it stuck to my finger. So we have got, oh, a planner belongs to sticker. Oh, I'm so happy about that. I was looking for something like that. Obviously foiled with my name and beautiful holographic foiling. And look at this pocket, it's so tiny. It's so cute. Can't wait to stick that in. Number 12. And we've got some, oh, some tabs. Some foldable tabs. They're pretty. And then we've got number 13. Oh, these look interesting. They're like an overlay box. So I don't think you'd be able to write on them unless you had like a permanent marker or one of those Sharpie pens, because they look clear, but you could put them over the top of your other boxes if you've got some plainer boxes that just need a little bit of something, because they've all got a little decorative border, very subtle around the corner, but really, really pretty. I like those. I've not seen anything like those before. Then we've got day number 14. Excuse me. Oh, look. Oh, it really is a theme, isn't it, this? I love it so, so much. It's just perfect. So we've got some bottom washi, some top washi, and some little washi bits to go in the middle of your days. I absolutely love it. Then we've got number 15. We've got some page flags. So we've got some smaller ones and we've got some larger ones. They're really nice. I love the colours. Day number 16. Oh my goodness. Foil overlays, I think. So you could use these in between your days. You could stick them over the top of other stickers that just need a bit of something, or you could definitely use them on their own. So beautiful. Day number 17. We have got some functional boxes with little sort of scatter of dots across the top, and then we've got some with like a little twine and sort of bow decoration. I'm noticing that this colourway seems to be in quite a few of the boxes. Was the last one that I just opened, number 15. There seems to be a bit of a theme with this as well, and I'd love it if this was a colourway that she was going to bring to the shop permanently, because I'm really liking this. Because I don't know about anybody else, but whenever I buy a Hobonichi kit, and it doesn't matter which shop I buy it from, I never have enough functional boxes, because I don't like to write directly on the Hobonichi paper. I like to have a little box. So I'm always looking for extra functionals to go in there. Number 18. Oh, it looks like we've got another kit, 3 pages. So we've got our bottom and top washi, and we've got some functional boxes and some date covers and a bit of deco. That's a really pretty colourway, very different. Not seen anything like that before from Josephine Bow Designs. Then we've got number 19. We're getting to the end now. It's like Christmas. Oh, I love these already. I've got these in a different colourway, but these are the clear overlay ones. I've got the ones that are on the white paper in the black. So these, I think these are a little bit smaller as well, which are nice. Perfectly sized for the Hobonichi. And some Hobonichi quarter boxes. Again, in that beautiful colourway. So I'm hoping that this is a sign that this is what's coming to the shop. Some colour palettes like this. Number 20. What have we got in here? Oh, some die cuts. And it looks like sparkly ones. So we've got one of those bows on a paper clip. Absolutely love it. And we've got a planner with a pen pouch and a little bow on it. So cute. Honestly, like this advent calendar was made for me. There's been absolutely nothing that I haven't liked. Genuinely as well. I'm not just saying that because I PR for her. You know she's my favourite. She knows she's my favourite. I tell her all the time. Number 21. We have got some sticky note boxes. They're nice. And then we've got number 22. So we have got some important priority remember flags. Sorry if you can hear scratching, that's my dog just opened the door to get in. It wouldn't be one of my videos without some kind of dog interruption, would it? And then we've got, it's under my feet, and we've got some boxes that you could use maybe if you were doing meal planning for your lunch, your breakfast and your tea. I said that the wrong way around, but you know what I mean. Or you could use it for your top 3 priorities of the day. Lots of uses for that one. Number 23. Oh, look at these. Some foil corners. You could use these in an overlay as well. Dexter, he's found a bag of rubbish. So he's going to rustle now whilst we're trying to get on. And then we've got the last one, which is number 24. Oh, wow, look at these. Some larger page flags with this week or to-do list on and some little lines. So beautiful. I'm so happy with this, guys. So that was our Josephine Bow Designs Advent Calendar. I'm going to flash this one at you again because I just absolutely love it. And like I said, the Hobonichi sized album, just for size comparison, that's this size. If you can see that fully on the screen, I hope. I think so. That's this size in this design. I just saw when she reopened last night, that is available in the shop. And presumably these little ones as well will be coming. So that was my advent calendar from Josephine Bow Designs. I hope you liked it. You can go over to the Etsy shop now because, like I said, that is reopened again. And if you are going to place an order with her, don't forget you can use my code, which is RachelPlans15, and that will get you 15% off your order, plus my little freebie too. I can't wait to use all this in my planner. I'm so excited. If you like this video, please give me a little thumbs up, and if you could subscribe, I'll love you forever, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.